Swag to the wheels here.
Swag.
Alright, so here's part 2 of the wheel build, and what are you doing right now?
Sanding while the paint dries on the other wheel, and
Yes, we kind of already started.
Swag to the wheels here. I don't know if you can see it, but they took off in the Honda for a quick joyride. And I'm painting the SC wheels, and they are looking absolutely perfect, for me at least. Some chips here and there, but who gives a fuck? I just used the, where are the cans actually? I used the Brazilian filler primer, and then I sprayed flat protected enamel, and then finished it off with the matte finish, and it looks like it's almost just like a stock OEM color. Like, it looks really fucking clean. Like, you guys can't tell me that this doesn't look clean. That wheel, and it's a clear coat too, so it's gonna be like this for a while as long as I keep it clean. This is only one coat of clear coat, so I can just add 2-3 more layers and it'd be pretty fucking solid and weatherproof. Fuck yeah, that shit came out nice as hell. I'm so happy it came out.
Alright, swag to the wheels here. Wow. So putting some primer on the wheel now. So we get a nice even coat. We have Justin, swag guy right here. That'll be on YouTube. Put his Instagram in the description. Here, well, let's do so wheels look good. Let's do a quick walk around of this swagged out mobile right here. Trying to give us a car review right here real quick.
My right style Nissan Altima with
your swagged out Nissan.
Swagged out.
Okay, so
my toe hook blacked out.
That's swag, you already know. See,
Swag.
I got the same thing because, you know, swag spreads.
Plasti dipped hubcaps.
You already know.
Swag out. Plasti dip side skirt.
You already know.
You already know. Plasti dip door handles.
You already
that
know.
need to be resprayed.
Super black tints. You already
Blacked
know.
out.
Custom taillights. You already know.
Yo, look how nice that looks. Damn.
Plasti dip emblems. You already know.
That need to be cleaned up. Got this little lip right here, plasti dip.
You already know.
You already know. Back to the headlight.
Let's get a look at this exhaust. See? Yeah, see that resonator, yo? Let's cut that crap off.
Let me turn on the lights for our guests.
Here's how the car looks with the lights on. Yeah, it's got those Pro Tuning Lab, right? Yeah, that's where you got it from?
No, Amazon.
Oh, Amazon.
I got our chameleon plasti dipped.
Chameleon. Let's see if we can get a good chameleon shot. Oh yeah.
Depends on the light.
Oh yeah. Looks good. Because swag.
Swag up.
Swag. Alright, so what's going on over here? What's up?
The lights are
so bright.
Swag. So what are we doing?
Painting still.
Yo, they have this aftermarket bumper. So you get it like the GTR style for the Altima.
Remember the blue skyline or the what is it?
There's a G35,
Yeah.
and he got a custom bumper.
Yeah.
And he put instead of G35 in Infinity, he put a Nissan badge and it said Skyline. Yeah. But in Japan,
That's how they look like, right?
That's what they're called in Japan, the Nissan Skyline.
You're like move and you shine it right in the face.
Technique, though.
You guys should get high. Yo, when I plastied it my whole car,
Dude.
I got really high.
Dude, so did I. When I did my car, I like almost passed out.
Wait, you did with the sprayer though.
Yeah, no.
Makes you
I didn't put the mask on.
But you didn't have cans.
I did it outside. Oh, the sprayer still got. That shit still got.
No, I was inhaling straight aerosol.
So bad.
I know.
That's so bad.
You gotta get the
I
inner.
felt autistic after it.
Inner sides, dude.
I know.
Can't overspray.
No, because something fell off your foot.
Yo, you put some dirt on it.
If I would have did, I would have felt
But you would have painted over it anyway, so.
No, it would have made you stand up your tongue.
Sand with my tongue?
Yeah, like a cat.
Yo, look, I did my whole car. I put that black, all that gray.
Sweat. You took it off?
Here's matte gray. Yeah, I peeled it off. Came out really nice though. That's the
Why'd you
look.
take it all off again?
I wasn't feeling it.
It's fine. Got that ear dough. That earring dough. Swag.
Why'd you say it like that? That earring.
That earring. That earring.
Is one word. Earring.
That earring.
Earring?
I
Earring.
will be back. Not mint, right?
What?
It's mint, right?
What's mint?
It's mint. Mint.
Mint?
Mint, yes. Mint.
Yeah,
Mint.
That's gay.
How do you get the inside?
You don't.
Struggle.
With your hands, yeah, but not from my hands. Sand and mush the immediate surface, and then clean up the rest, and let the paint do the rest.